Hello, I'm Corey Blastner, and once again it's time for a money review, if you know what I mean. Today I'm going to review the $5 bill, featuring Abraham Lincoln on the dollar. See, Abraham Lincoln was one of our best presidents ever. He had a beard, and he was honest, and he got sought in a balcony. And I found this $5 bill under similar circumstances, though it wasn't in a balcony, and I did not get shot. Yeah. I found this $5 bill at a Bruno Mars concert. Yeah. I was so excited about seeing Bruno Mars in concert, but I procrastinated on getting the tickets. I ran to the second day. And so I got the worst seat in the theater. I had to sit behind some very tall customers, and a lot of people were yelling, and people in the bar were sitting down and loved to fart. And to make it worse, Bruno Mars opened his concert with his worst song instead of his best. It was a horrendous experience until I looked down and found this $5 bill sitting by my leg. And all of a sudden, my concert experience was a whole lot better, thanks to this $5 bill. So, I give this $5 bill 5 stars. I'll see you some other time on Money Review.